Hello everyone, today we are going to give demo on our application restaurant management system, and on this application we have made three credential: admin, manager and waiter. Now admin is already existent in our application. Now let us log in from admin. The username is admin and its password is here. Now this is the record. We'll discuss its record after on the last of our video. Now waiter and manager is here already. We have now admin will create manager. This is the application form for manager. Here is email. This email should be genuine email and password. We can type here password and we can generate, and when we will register, the email will go to this valid email and the password will also send to that email, and on opening that link this email will be confirmed. Without opening that link this email will not be confirmed, so email should be valid. And we have already existed two manager here, one is manager 1 and manager 2. Now the whole system will be controlled by manager. Now let me log in from manager. I have logged in from manager 1. This is manager 1, and these are the this is category. Now manager will add category. On our restaurant system we have many category. Now we have inserted more than 10 category, and here is pagination system. And if we want to add any category, manager will simply click new, add new category, and on this category system, on Momo category there is items, and it is very simple to use. Now you will add another item on this Momo. We can add from here. Now we have already existed 4 items, and if today any item are not ready, then you can disable or enable this feature. If today 5 Momo is existed, then we can enable this item. And similarly the table section also has the same feature. We have now 5 table, and if we want to add any other table we can add from here. And the waiter, now the manager will create waiter. It is same like that admin creates the manager. Now its full name, address, email. Here also the valid email is to be input, because on register the email will goes to this link. And password, the manager cannot see the password, simply generate this password, and now when it will be registered a link will go to this email, then the waiter will click that email and make it valid. Now we have waiter also already existed, waiter 1 and waiter 2. Now let us log in from waiter, because the system it starts from waiter. The waiter will takes its order, and we have to use 2 browser. Now this is the manager system, and now let me use the waiter system. Now I am logged in from waiter 1. Now I have to go to table, and I will take some order on table 1. I'll take some order on table 1. Let me take order for this veg momo, and here is we can search feature. Yeah, now buff chow mein, let me take 4 plates of buff chow mein, and now I will order this item. Now someone will say that they want to again add some items. Now we can review. The waiter has recently taken order on table 1. Now you can review, and if someone wants to remove this item, it will be removed from here, or if someone adds to any other item, then you can add from here also. Now let me order this item. Now let me now this will be comes to the manager site, and let me use from manager. Now on this daily daily data, it's now order detail, and now the recent order comes from table 1. Then manager will look on table 1 and he will clarify that this veg momo and box chowmin are now it is not delivered, and again if it is delivered, then manager will change the status and makes it delivered. And if some other people will come to the manager site and order some item, then manager can also add items, or he can also remove from here. Let me order now veg and box chowmin. Now you will calculate total price is this, and this is VAT and service charge 10%, and this is grand total. Now if these are the order, then you will confirm this order, and here after this it will be print bill. Now we do not have printer. Now everything is ordered on table 1, and now the waiter can take order on table 1, and the same process repeated, and from this is waiter 1, and we can logged in from table 2 also. Now let me see the data report system. We can see report from our admin site. Okay, these are the now data. This is the dynamic data. It's come from our database, and on this is first week, second week, third week, and fourth week. It means we have 1 month bar graph system, and from these are the waiter list, manager list, table list, category list. Admin can see everything. And now report system, if admin wants to see the table record system, then you will simply select these all fields are not necessary. If we want to see everything on table 1, then search on table 1. These are the data to till date on table 1. Now we can give some range also. On table 1, let me check from 20th. Then these are the data. Recently these data are created now only, and this is the ordered at, and this is the delivered at time. It takes 2 minutes on our system. Now this is the bill ID. If anyone wants to view data from your bill ID, then also we can search from bill ID. Okay, we have ordered 2 items. This is order time and deliver time. This is VAT, service charge, and total from bill ID. Now we can search from also waiter record. If we want to see the all data, then simply click search without selecting. And if we want to see from waiter, we can simply search from here. This is the waiter 1 data, and similarly we can also use date range system here. For the waiter 1 from the 20th of November, this is the data we have recently added, and many other features also we are adding. Admin can enable and disable this waiter. If this waiter is now disabled, then waiter 1 cannot log in on its system. And this is our restaurant management system, and we have tried to fulfill all our box, and we want your review also. Please comment our system. We have our website techway.com.np. Okay, thanks. Please give